Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can prevent tabs from disappearing in Arc. If you are a new Arc user, then you might be surprised if you go back to the browser a few days later or just the next day after 12 hours and it turns out that everything that you had opened over here, it is gone. And the reason for this is really simple. Arc has archived these tabs. These are temporary tabs that will be gone after several hours or days, depending on the setting. By default, it is 12 hours. You can find those tabs over here in the bottom left corner. If you go to this one, click here, then you will see everything that you had opened in the past. Also, everything that you had opened recently, and you can bring it back. Now, in order to prevent that from happening again, you can either extend the time, but of course that is not the solution because after that time they will be still gone. But on the other hand, you can just pin the tabs that you want to not be removed by Arc, not be archived. And pinned tabs are over here below the space title. So we can simply drag and drop the tab and move it over here to the top side. Now these are the pinned tabs, or you may also see them as bookmarks, but bookmarks work like normal tabs. So every bookmark is a tab and every bookmark is a pinned tab. So if we go to move to and then choose the current space, then over here you should have this pinned. If it's pinned, it won't be deleted any time whatsoever. And you can choose or actually check the space which one to choose. If you go to move to, if you have several of them, then over here you can make sure that this is the correct space. If you right click the tab, then you have the move to option and you can switch from today to pinned, and the text today should give you the idea that it is temporary. So if you switch to pinned, then it will be moved over here. And once again, you can drag and drop it if you decide to unpin the tab. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!